Morning, so let's start with a time check. What time is it?
It's probably about 5:45.
Alright, we're up early, heading down to Penn Relays. Tell us about today, big day today.
Yeah, it's always the day that, it's the day that climaxes everything.
Right.
One is quite apprehensive because it's, like I said, it's penultimate. And today is probably a little extra special. We have something else to add to the, as they say, add to the pot. We intend to do something historical today, and this is not something you take lightly. So yes, I am a bit apprehensive. In fact, I am nervous, I'll be honest with you. Not because I'm not confident in what we're doing. It's just the moment, appreciating the moment. Yeah. And just to say thanks to all those who have made it possible, from the sound system guy, Mega, from Dave Russell, from the Consulate General, from Scott Ward, especially Scott Ward, and of course those who are helping us to make it happen financially, Reggae Sumfest, and all those involved. And then we have to also recognize that today we'll be looking at and celebrating our athletes, because I'm quite certain that they'll be doing well as well. So it's one of those days that will just culmination and a whole lot of excitement, and we just hope for the best. And we all do this in the interest of our country, Brand Jamaica, the way we love our country and our Jamaica community as well as our Caribbean community. So just want to say thanks to all those who make it possible, and we're working hard today.
All right, well, Godspeed, all right?
One love.
Let's go stretch. All Jamaicans, where you flag there? Where you rock there? Where you flag there? Hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try keep moving so we can't fly out. But when we there, nothing nice like Jamaica. It's fruit and banana.
Where the flag them there?
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Looking at the river when me ready for beer. No boy can't buy it. No foreign minded, no we compared to Jamaica. Jamaica.
You wanna feel? Put your hands in the air right now. If you bless right now. If you bless right now. I love the blessing. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest. Every day of my life I am blessed. Give my title. I thank God to God. Let the people understand. From the end of the earth, where I cry out. If you want to be Jamaican, wave your hand there.
When my heart is broken, lead me to the rock that is higher.
Get to one line, 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 shock it in 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 one line, get to one line, get to one line. We are all one man, we live in peace. Get to one line, get to one line, get to one line, from the town of one line. To say it, Bickle, 30 years, we clear. Get to one line, get to the sky. If you love God, we're good. If you love God, we're good.
I've seen no before. the people dance. We take dancing to a higher ground. We take boom and we take dance. One the river, one the bank. We are living at the river, one the bank. Shut up and kneel down and up to the bank. Don't be flat, we are put on the flag. No, we can't don't be flat. Everybody feel you do the parachute. You show on the drum, then you do your thing. Hey, touch you the big champion. Champion. Stop. Spin with it and take for yourself. And the new dance take for yourself. Cause somebody bad mind, somebody bad mind, take for yourself. Yeah, if they can't do that dance stretch, they must do this next dance. Ready? New style. I remember the Bogo. Bogo, where is it? Don't get no side to dance on it. Put your hand in the air, do your rock with it. Hey, Bogo dance. I got a new style when you want to stand up. Bogo on the place, now come here. Bogo dance, I'm going to turn up. I was in on it. She can't do it, but she got rock. For real, me love the girl. Watch out, hold up, give it.